Argentina is located in South America and is known for its rich culture, stunning landscapes, and vibrant history. Here are a few key facts about Argentina. Argentina is the second largest country in South America after Brazil. It stretches from the tropical north to the icy southern regions of Patagonia. Its landscapes range from the Andes Mountains to vast plains Pampas, the Andes' highest peak, Mount Aconcagua, and beautiful coastlines along the Atlantic Ocean. Andes Mountains, running along the western border of Argentina, the Andes are the longest continental mountain range in the world. These snow-capped peaks offer dramatic scenery, including Aconcagua, the highest mountain in the Americas. Patagonia, located in the southern part of the country. Patagonia is characterized by vast, windswept plains, glaciers, and dramatic mountain ranges. Key attractions include the Perito Moreno Glacier, the jagged peaks of Mount Fitzroy, and the wild coastline. Iguazu Falls, one of the most famous natural landmarks in the world. These massive waterfalls lie on the border between Argentina and Brazil, surrounded by a tropical rainforest teeming with wildlife. Pampas, the fertile lowlands of the Pampas, located in central Argentina, are known for their expansive grasslands and are the heart of Argentina's cattle ranching. These flat plains also support agriculture, including wheat and corn. Wine region Mendoza, the region of Mendoza, nestled at the foothills of the Andes, is famous for its vineyards. The desert-like landscape is contrasted by lush vineyards and the majestic mountains towering in the distance. Northwest Argentina Salta and Jujuy, this area features a stunning mix of arid landscapes, salt flats, multicolored mountains, and cactus-dotted deserts. The Quebrada de Humahuaca is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its vibrant, multicolored hills. Lake District, the Argentine Lake District, particularly in the Patagonia region, offers beautiful lakes like Lake Nahuel Huapi, surrounded by forests, mountains, and charming towns such as San Carlos de Bariloche. Buenos Aires is the capital city and a major cultural and economic hub. It is known for its European-style architecture, tango music and dance, and vibrant nightlife. Culture. Argentina has a rich cultural heritage influenced by indigenous, Spanish, and immigrant cultures. It's particularly famous for tango, its national dance and music genre. Additionally, soccer football is an integral part of the nation's culture, with Argentina producing world-renowned players like Lionel Messi and Diego Maradona. Cuisine. Argentina is famous for its beef, with steaks and grilled meats asados being a major part of the national diet. Empanadas, corapin, and Argentine wines, particularly Malbec, are also widely enjoyed. Economy. Argentina is one of the largest economies in South America. It is known for its agricultural exports, particularly soybeans, beef, and wine. The country has faced economic challenges, including inflation and debt crises, but remains a significant player in the global market. History: Argentina has a complex political and social history, including colonial rule by Spain, its War of Independence 1816, and various periods of political instability, dictatorship, and democracy. Notably, the Dirty War 1976 to 1983 was a period of state terrorism in which thousands of suspected dissidents were killed or disappeared. Popular destinations in Argentina: Buenos Aires, the bustling capital city, famous for tango music and dance, historic neighborhoods like San Telmo and La Boca, and vibrant nightlife. Iguazu Falls, a stunning natural wonder. Iguazu Falls is located on the border between Argentina and Brazil. The Iguazu National Park offers spectacular views of the falls. Mendoza, Argentina's premier wine region, known for its Malbec wines. You can take wine tour, enjoy scenic views of the Andes, and relax in vineyards. Patagonia, a vast and diverse region in the south, famous for glaciers, for example, Perito Moreno Glacier, hiking in Los Glaciares National Park, and the dramatic landscapes of Tierra del Fuego. Bariloche, known for its beautiful lakes and mountains. This area is popular for skiing, hiking, and chocolate. Bariloche is known as the chocolate capital of Argentina. Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world, located in Tierra del Fuego, ideal for adventure seekers and nature lovers. El Calafate, the gateway to Los Glaciares National Park, home to the spectacular Perito Moreno Glacier. Traveling to Argentina is an exciting experience, offering a wide variety of landscapes, cultural experiences, and activities. Whether you're interested in exploring vibrant cities, scenic nature, or enjoying world-class food and wine, Argentina has something for every type of traveler. Best time to visit Argentina: spring September to November and fall March to May. These seasons are ideal for traveling to Argentina because the weather is mild and pleasant, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Summer December to February. If you want to enjoy Argentina's beaches or Patagonia's warmer regions, this is a good time to visit, although it can be quite hot in the north. Winter June to August. Winter is great for skiing in the Andes, especially in places like Mendoza and San Carlos de Bariloche. Things to do in Argentina: wine tasting in Mendoza. Argentina is famous for its Malbec wines, and Mendoza offers tour of beautiful wineries. Hiking in Patagonia. Trek through the Los Glaciares National Park. visit Mount Fitzroy and explore Torres del Paine in nearby Chile. Tango in Buenos Aires, take a tango class or watch a professional performance in the city that gave birth to this iconic dance. Explore the Pampas, take a trip to the Argentine countryside where you can visit traditional estancias ranches, enjoy horseback riding, and experience authentic asado Argentinian barbecue. Iguazu Falls, visit one of the largest and most spectacular waterfall systems in the world, straddling both Argentina and Brazil. Visit Ushuaia, explore the end of the world by visiting this southernmost city, and enjoy activities like hiking, boat trips, and exploring glaciers. Buenos Aires, the heart of Argentina, highlights. Buenos Aires is Argentina's capital and cultural hub, known for its European-style architecture, tango music, and vibrant art scene. Key attractions include La Boca, a colorful neighborhood famous for its tango shows and street art. Recoleta Cemetery, the resting place of many famous Argentinians, including Eva Perón. Plaza de Mayo, the historic square where Argentina's political history unfolded. Teatro Colón, one of the world's most famous opera houses. Puerto Madero, a modern waterfront area with restaurants and shops. Culture, Buenos Aires is famous for its cafe culture, steak, and tango dancing. Cordoba, colonial charm and student life. Highlights, known for its colonial architecture and lively student population, Cordoba is a dynamic city with a youthful energy. Catedral de Cordoba, a beautiful colonial era church in the city center. La Cagata, a picturesque waterway lined with trees. Jesuit Block, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that includes the historical university and churches. Sierras de Cordoba, nearby mountains perfect for hiking and outdoor activities. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.